Here's how you can simply report a YouTube channel on your mobile phone. So first up, what you want to do is that you want to click on these three dots. Then once you do that, what you want to do now is that you want to click on the report user option. Then YouTube is going to ask you a bunch of questions and you can click on, for example, any reason you found him guilty or any reason you want to report him for. So something like, for example, something like this, then next, and then it's going to ask you what you want them to review. You can simply click on the videos, for example, if it's the video you want them to review. So click on the videos, then click on next. And then you can simply add a detailed description or add details of what you want to tell them. If you want to tell them more stuff about this user, you can easily enter more details. So you can simply add a few details by typing in whatever you want to type, and then once you're done doing that, you can then simply click on the report button below. But I'm not going to report this channel because it hasn't done anything wrong. I'm just using it as an example. But once you're done writing in your details, you can then simply click on the report option. But in this case, I'm not going to do that because it hasn't done anything wrong. I'm just using it for example once again. So that's how you can simply report a YouTube channel on your mobile phone. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.